is Hannibal's Bucket in Ango. Bit of a touristy spot. Been past it 101 times, but yeah, just stopped to grab a photo.
At night, I am way out in the middle of the walk, and there's a bloody traffic light. Oh, got me. Sun's pretty much gone down, and I've got another hour and 47 minutes to reach my destination in Texas. Oh well, show must go on.
Okay, so quick warm up at the fire here at the Kangaroo Hotel, and as you can see, it's pitch black darkness. Get the gloves back on, zip the jacket up. That was pretty nice. Warm up by the fire, have a rum, and now I will continue my journey on to Texas. Should be there by 8:30, 9 o'clock tonight. Oh, that was good.
Gotta watch out for the kangaroo foxes and I'll be right. See you when I get there. Like there's some big roos out here tonight. That's like the fucking second big one in about 100 metres. Bloody big on this green up road, eh? And they ain't those little bloody things, they're like the big eastern greys. I haven't seen any of those black wallabies yet. Those buggers are a real worry, they're like a little meat missile. If you're in the park with one of those guys breathing out of the scrub, they'll bloody knock you off your bike, going down the shore. They're usually pretty big through here as well, but I haven't seen a few dead ones. I haven't seen any live wallabies. I really want to. Well, I've made it to Texas. There it is. There we go. Made it to Texas, and it is 8:30 at night. And it's just started bloody spit rain.